Hi, I'm Peggy Van Witt Fine Art Conservation, and we get a lot of frames into the studio, like this one, for example. Very heavy plaster frame. It came all in pieces, and it was put back together with some adhesives. First thing we do is we use a little bit of Fluger, and we filled all these in, and then it's not the filling that's so difficult, but it's the sanding. So you have to be very light touch with sanding because there's gold under here. And in order to clean it, we use a little bit of solvent or an acetone base, and then we can clean off all the grime and overpaint, because this particular frame, while it was initially a gold frame, has been painted, and you can see this is like their gold paint that they put on here. You don't want to go too far. You just want to get off what doesn't look like it belongs there, because it makes for a rough surface. And this acetone base also will help when we start to sand. We'll actually wet sand. So with the acetone, basically, what I always tell people is if you can feel it, you can see it, especially if it's gold leaf. So prep work is everything. If you get the prep work done, it's a piece of cake. So if you like this video, go down below and comment on it, or if you want to see more, I'm going to show you how to finish up this frame, and the client will be delighted when he picks it up.